Hakalai pau tarik kala lingkot arja ar pau sau, Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat ke Sangma, Ulapli ya kapung Hasnong Mawrah kabalate dekat Soil and Water Conservation, kani kabalate haga jinglot kaba shi point san pau kulur tingka, balabe tingka ka nabat, kaban long sakaway pat kum kanan Polok harilum khasi ban Khring ki Nongwankai perthei. Kani kapung kaba he hanyo point hanyo pau hektar, bat kala ban penlang, sanlak ar paulai hajar, hendus pa million liter, hakabakan ai jing mentoy yaki arspa san phau tulum yeng omtang kata kan besa umru yaki shnong kathan khat ar shnong omtang ban pen bernya yaki Nongwankai hendai ka shnong kan yo jing mentoy ru nakari dok haru kumju habakaran hagani ga jingalang ukanrat uloong baka sorkar kala penlut kumba sauspa klur bante ya kumba shispa tali ki jaka penlang haga jala hakalai snam uloong ban amar ka jingbom nang ban pelang ban penne ka nakani ga jala kala tutlut sha Bangladesh bat sha Assam.
The water conservation and the entire protection and creating reservoirs is one of the more important things that this government is focusing on. We will be roughly investing close to 400 crores in the span of next 3 years, creating hundreds of reservoirs across the state. Just to give an idea to you, we are only able to keep about 4 to 5% of the water that we get because of the rains. And most of the water flows away into Bangladesh or to Assam. And hence the only way to stop the flow of the water or to preserve or conserve the water is to create dams like these. And hence this is one of the projects, a very successful one, and I thank and congratulate the Soil Conservation Department and all the officers who have been involved in making this a success. Big congratulations to you. The work has been done exceptionally well, and we can see from the completion also that it is also in a way an engineering, kind of a nice engineering and architecture marvel also. So it's a great project, and once again I congratulate the team headed by our officials, the director and commissioner and secretary, and of course our honorable minister. Our purpose of having these reservoirs is also not just to conserve, but as was mentioned by Dr. Amperin Lingo, we want to see that this can be used for multi-purpose activities, be it for farming, be it for creating different aquaculture, or be it for tourism.